Good morning, Ballinger Creek. Mrs. Stein here, and I am thrilled to welcome you back on this wonderful Tuesday of learning. Boy, it sure is a beautiful day. I hope you all had a fabulous spring break and enjoyed that week off with family and friends and got to do some things that you really enjoy. I know how hard our Ballinger Creek staff works each and every day to ensure you continue to learn, and I hope they had the most wonderful week as well. I'm here today to remind you that we are almost concluding quarter 3. It's hard to believe we have been together for 9 weeks of school. So in these last few days, boys and girls, be sure to follow all your teacher's directions. Check those Schoology assignment folders. Finish up any outstanding work that you have as we end this quarter and assign grades and communicate that to you and your families. We want to finish this quarter and our last 9 weeks of the school year together strong. And so my message to you on this wonderful Tuesday back at school, let's go. Have a great day.